Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Asana for business. So, first, what you need to do is open your browser. And once you're inside your browser, just type in asana.com. And then once you're on the homepage, you can see that there are a lot of informations about Asana. So, you can see we have list view, we have timeline, we have boards. So, for us to get started on using Asana for business, tap here on Get Started. Then what you're going to do next is sign in or sign up. And then after signing in, you need to set up your account. So you're just going to put in your full name. And then select your primary role. You're going to have a lot of different options in here. But in our case, we're just going to tap the business owner. Tap continue. And then here, it's going to ask you what kind of work do you do. If you cannot select anything from the options, you can just tap on skip. And then it's going to ask you here, what's your main objective in Asana? So just tap in project and process management. And then tap continue. And then it's going to ask you to set up your first project. And then it's going to ask you here, what's something you and your team are currently working on? Let's type in YouTube. Then tap continue. And then after doing that one, it's going to ask you what are a few tasks that you have to do for YouTube. For example, let's type in script writing. Then the next one is going to be voiceover. And the last one is going to be video edit. Tap continue. And then it's going to ask you how you would group these tasks into sections or stages. Let's keep it as it is. Then you're going to have an option here to select the layout that works best for your projects. In my case, I'm just going to use the list option. Tap and continue. And then as you can see here, it says that congratulations, you've created your first project in Asana. And then it's going to ask you who's working on this project with you. So if you have employees, you can just type in their email in here and then tap continue. After that, you're going to see your workspace. So for example, I do have someone working with me on the script writing. So what you're going to do is just tap on that task. And from here, you can see that you can change the assignee. So if you have invited your teammates via email, you can just tap their emails in here to assign it to them. And also you can change the due date of each project by tapping here. You can just select any date that you want. And if we scroll down, you can set the priority as well. You can set it to low, medium, or high. And also, the person assigned to this project can set the status. You can see we have three options in here: on track, at risk, and off track. And here in the description, you can type in anything that you want. Like for example, do not use these words. Or you can also type in here to use only a specific website to create the script, or any information about the script writing, the tools that they need to use, or the tools that they can use. And as you can see here, I created this task. Also, you have a comment section in here. If you are having some trouble with the script, or if you are having some concerns about the script written, you can just comment in here. And then the assignee will be notified through Asana as well. So let's say, for example, I assigned this script to someone. That person, the assignee, is going to move this task to this tab right here. So for you to be able to do that, you just need to drag and drop the task itself. Drag it and then drop it here on doing. And then let's say, for example, you're done creating the script. What you can do next is just drag and drop again to done. So for example, that you're done with script writing, you're going to assign the voiceover to the assignee again. And repeat the same process for the video edit. Say, drag it to doing, and then done. So once it's done, as you can see, it's going to be automatically checked. So let's say, for example, everything is done. What you can do to add another task is tap this plus button right here. And as you can see here, you can add another task again. And then from here, you can type in script, voiceover, and video edit. Then after doing that, you can just go ahead and then do everything again. Tap on the assignee, assign it to someone, set the due date, set the priority, the status, and the description. And then just do the same thing again. If you're the assignee, you can just drag and drop it here on doing. And then once you're done, just drag it again to done section. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can use Asana for business. And thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.